In today's video, I will be showing you how to find your profile on your Deepseek AI account easy and quickly. So after you download the application, enter and then click on this two lines up here, and then in the bottom you will find your profile. So as you see here, you can manage your profile as you like. So you will find the profile and the about the application and the app. You can change the color scheme, light or dark or whatever. Then if you want to contact, so that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.